Hi everybody, Dave here with Live Car Build. I want to show you my first do-it-yourself project. Actually, this one here is going to be a personal project. This car's been sitting a long time and I'm good and ready to get this one done. So I'll make a plan of attack. We'll get a few things done, start getting the paint off. Let's just get right to it. Let me show you what we got. '79 Trans Am. I built this car when I was 18, and it wasn't because I knew everything. It was because I wasn't scared. It was a silver car, lots of black pinstripe everywhere, and of course we're talking, 30 years ago. So look at the stripes. This quarter panel here was hit right about there. The whole thing was probably 1.5 inches of Bondo when I got it. I pushed it out quite a bit for being a young kid and got it bonded up and got it pretty straight. It's just been so long since I've done it, and it's time to put this car back on the road. Take a look inside the trunk. Sorry about the noise, guys. I'm going to do this one in my driveway just like you would. It's not too bad. Still pretty clean. There was water standing in here when it was sitting out at my father's house, and a little bit of surface rust there I need to fix. The worst part of this car is going to be this lip here. Right around in there. Got a little work to do on that lip. And we got a little bit of rust going on around the windows. It's still good solid metal. We can stop that rust. And we got a little bit of rust down here to worry about. And it's really a clean car, considering that it's, in 1979. It's pretty old. And that's the worst of the rust, really. A little bit of rocker panel rust on this side, but it's not drastic. I'll take you around and I'll show you the floorboards and stuff. There's one little place on the floorboard that I'd like to fix. I caulked it shut for a while it was setting. It's been setting a long time. It just kept the mice out. Floorboards are really pretty strong. They definitely need to be cleaned. Like I said, this car's been sitting, but we're going to fix it. Right down in there by the gas pedal. I'm going to cut that out and put it back in layers, just like they have it. There's a seam right there, and it's on that seam, so I'll cut it back and put it back together in layers so it looks factory. Dash is in trouble. Just for the experience, I would like to try to repair it. Products nowadays, you can fix almost anything. We'll see how that goes. And then there's the frame over here. I'll try and catch you up to speed as far as what I've done. But the frame was, from the factory, this weld was hit and miss. Just like the machine was drunk. A little bit of weld, a lot of skipped, a little bit of weld, so I cleaned it up and I welded the whole seam. That's not for everybody, because it will make this frame a little bit too stiff and it can crack. But I intend on using subframe connectors and other bracing to keep it a little more rigid so it won't crack. I'm going to put Delrins in the control arms. I have Detroit Speed bushings for the body mounts. They're solid aluminum, stainless steel bolts. I've got a little bit of a slideshow to show you some of the work on the frame, but some of this was done before I ever decided to record this, so I'll show you that slideshow and we'll go from there. But anyway, that's the project. I'm sorry about the noise, guys, but this is a driveway, just like most people. I'm not going to show you that I know everything. That's not really the point. I do want to show you not to be scared. If it's got a dent in it, grab a hammer. What are you going to do? Dent it? It's already dented. Alright. I'll show you a slideshow and then we'll move on, and next video will be me starting the first plan of attack.